Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to do a review on the NEQUARE cordless vacuum cleaner that is available on Amazon. I absolutely love this vacuum cleaner. One of my pain points with my other cordless high-end vacuum cleaners that I have two of them actually. And one of the pain points that I have with them is the runtime on them. So I don't have a super huge house, but I do like to thoroughly clean everything. And the reason I have to is because one battery on it doesn't allow me the clean time that I need for my home. So I love that this one is a fraction of the price that I paid for either one of my other cordless vacuums. And it runs a lot longer. It has a 35-minute run time, which is very, very good for a cordless vacuum. So let's get into the unboxing. It comes packaged very nicely. It comes with this instruction guide that tells you how to assemble, use, and maintain your vacuum. We have the first thing, which is the stick part of the vacuum. It's like a nice, pretty, like metallic blue too. I like that. We have one of the attachments that comes sealed. Go ahead and open this up. So we have a nice attachment. It seems to be pretty well made. We also have some screws. And then next we have the actual canister portion of the vacuum cleaner. Feels very high quality from what I can tell so far. And let's see, this is the base that goes up to the wall that you can wall mount it. Alright, next thing we have is like the little handle which goes onto the canister, which looks like it's pretty easy to snap together there. We have the floor attachment piece, which has like wheels at the bottom, a pretty wide mount on it, and it does have like a very flexible neck on it as well. We have another attachment here. And okay, then lastly we have a brush attachment, which is to change out on the bottom piece here as well. So I want to talk a little bit about the pieces and how to put them together. So you have the canister here and you have the handle. So basically you're just going to take the handle and it kind of slides down this piece at the bottom. Like that, and then you just press down on the button at the top and it snaps together, and there you have it. You're ready to go. And so you can put any number of your attachments on. Let's go ahead and try this one out. This one it has like brushes at the brush bristles at the end of it. It also has a button on it that you can push and pull down, and you have the bristles out of the way. So that's kind of nice, especially like for cleaning your car or cleaning like couch cushions, like in between the crevices of things. This can be like really, really handy. But literally this just snaps on like that, and you're all ready to go. You press the button once and that will turn it on, and you guys will see the battery indicator here as well to let you know how much charge you have. So this is in the regular mode. As you guys can see, it's fully charged. We have all three battery lights on. And then to kick it up a notch, you're gonna press the max button. As you can see, a little bit louder, but not that loud. And that provides a stronger suction. And to turn it off, we're just gonna press the trigger button. And that's it, it's off. So, this is nice, like I said, for the car, for around the house, cleaning up messes, on tables, little small messes in your kitchen, things like that. Now, if you want to go to the floor, which around here, because I have a very hairy little puppy, I constantly am cleaning my floors. So I'm going to show you the floor attachment next. It does come with two different brush heads. This one is more for like a higher plow carpets, whereas this one is more for like a low plow carpet, like this rug here, and for like your hardwood floors or your ceramic tile, things of that nature. So I'm going to use the one that's for the lower plow carpet. I'm going to take the vacuum stick that we have here, and all I need to do is attach this bar into the bottom attachment like that, and that is connected in. And then I'm going to take the vacuum itself, and I'm just going to go ahead and click that in. Another really cool thing about this one too is that this one does have lights on it as well, which my other high-end vacuum does not. So that's really nice when I'm like, you know, going under chairs and things of that nature, so I can really see going under the couch. It really allows me to see better when I'm cleaning, so I can make sure that I get everything. So as you can see, it picks up really, really good. And that literally was just like that little area. So it picked up a lot of hair off of the floor for sure. Also, they do give you a wall attachment for this as well. So you can literally just mount this with like 4 screws. It comes with the screws that you need. You can mount this like in your utility closet or something, or wherever it's most convenient for you in your home. And then you literally just dock it onto here. You just click it onto the base. The cord goes into the wall to charge it up, and it will just hang there. So that way it's out the way. You don't have to worry about it being in the way of stuff. And that's really nice that you can do that with it. So it's very similar to, like I said, my other higher end vacuum cleaners in that respect. Overall, I like this vacuum because it's super affordable, and it does just as good of a job as vacuums that I have paid, you know, $400 or $500 for. I love the fact that it cleans very well. It has very good suction, and it's affordable. You know, like right now with the economy being what it is, the last thing we're trying to do over here is overpay for anything. So when there's items that you can get that do the same thing at a fraction of the price, it's always a good idea to take advantage of it. And like I said, they are giving a 20% off discount to my subscribers. So make sure you take advantage of that discount code down below in the description box. Overall, I am so happy that I had an opportunity to try this product out, and I know you guys will love it too. So let me know down below once you guys order yours how you like it. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.